Have you ever wondered how tools like ping, traceroute, or network scanners actually send data? What if I told you you can create your own network packets using Python? In this video, you'll learn packet crafting with Python using the Scapy library. We will create packets, inspect them, send ICMP requests, sniff traffic, and understand what's happening inside the network. And don't worry, you do not need to be a networking expert. Let's begin. Before we start, packet crafting means manually creating network packets instead of letting your operating system build them automatically. Think of a packet like a digital envelope. Normally, your operating system fills the envelope for you. But with packet crafting, you control what goes inside. Source IP, destination IP, protocol, headers, and everything. We'll use a Python library called Scapy. Scapy is one of the most powerful networking libraries for Python. It helps us create, send, receive, and analyze packets. First, install Scapy. Open your terminal and type pip install Scapy. If you're on Linux, you may need administrator privileges when sending packets. Now, let's write our first Scapy program. Create a Python file, then import Scapy. Now, let's create an IP packet. When we run this, Scapy displays packet information, things like IP version, source address, destination address. But wait, we only define the destination IP. So, how does the source IP appear? Because Scapy automatically fills missing fields for us. Now let's make something more interesting. We'll create an ICMP packet. In simple words, an ICMP packet is what powers the ping command. Here's the code. Let me explain. We use IP to create an IP layer, then ICMP to create a ping request. The slash symbol combines protocol layers together. Then SR1 sends the packet and waits for the response. If everything works, you'll get a reply packet. Now let's add custom data inside the packet, like this. This is called the payload, the actual content inside a packet. You can insert text, binary data, or anything you want. This is useful for learning how protocols work and for testing applications inside your own lab environment. Scapy can also sniff network packets. Here's an example. This captures 5 packets. You can also filter traffic. For example, Now, Scapy only captures ICMP packets. This is super useful for learning network behavior and debugging. Let's create a TCP packet. Here, TCP means Transmission Control Protocol, and the port equal 80 means port 80, the default HTTP port. You can inspect packet fields, flags, ports, and protocol details. Quick reminder, packet crafting is powerful. Use it responsibly. Only test inside your own network, virtual machine, or environments where you have permission. The goal here is education. Understanding how networks work makes you a better programmer, a better system administrator, and a better cybersecurity learner. And that's the basic of packet crafting with Python and Scapy. Today we learned how to install Scapy, how to create a packet, how to send ICMP requests, how to sniff traffic, and how protocol layers work. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more Python, networking, and cybersecurity content, and tell me in comments what should I build next using Python. See you in the next video.